how to withdraw from Weltrade. Weltrade is a stockbroker, a broker where you trade on forex. So when you come here, come and tap on deposit. This I can have $6 here. I'm just using it for practical purpose to withdraw. So when you come here, tap on withdrawal, go to withdrawal and select. We have cryptocurrency, Binance, different method, Asian Bank. For me, I'm going to use Binance Pay. So you can check any of this method you want to use. For this video, I'm using Binance Pay. So I click on Binance Pay. Now you have to set in your Binance Pay ID. You see what it says, add wallet. You click on this add wallet and go to your Binance. If you have Binance, I want in your Binance like this. Once you're on home in Binance, you come and click on this icon top right here, and it will open like this. You select your Binance Pay. See the pay ID I want to withdraw to. So I'll click on copy Binance Pay ID, copy it. So come and paste it here where you say add wallet. So this is why you are going to paste it. Having pasted it, once you paste it here, now click on add. So payment is added automatically. So how much do you want to withdraw? So here we have 6.99. I have 6.99 here. So now scroll up and click on continue. Make sure before they must have select I want to withdraw from where. I want to withdraw from syntax. Come and click on select where I want to withdraw from. So I'll withdraw from syntax. So 6.99. Have you selected all this? Click on continue here. Then contain the details. This is a withdrawal fee, 11 cents. 1.1 commission fee will be applied to all withdrawal made through Binance Pay. This fee will automatically deducted from during the process of withdrawal. So click on continue. So an email will be a code will be sent to your email. So I'm going to minimize, go to the email address and refresh. So this is it here. Open the current one. This is the time here, 7:33. So this is the code you are going to copy. Once you copy this code that I sent to your email, come here and paste it. Come and press and paste. And wait for it to load. It's loading. Okay, your withdrawal order has been successfully confirmed. Withdrawal are processed within 30 minutes. Transfer time depends on your payment system. So we say withdrawal is within 30 minutes. So me within 30 minutes I will check the Binance and see whether it has dropped. So this is how you can basically withdraw. If you have found value in this video, smash the like button, subscribe and share the video to your team members. Subscribe for more details on how you can make money from forex trading and the crypto sector and the forex trading in forex, because this is the time to make money in this asset. So subscribe and catch you in the next video. But let me see whether it has come before I conclude the video. Let me see whether the money have dropped. Okay, I was told within 30 minutes, so I believe it's not up to 30 minutes. So but I believe it's going to drop, because for what I'm seeing here is already under processing. So thank you.